Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set project status on Asana, a crucial skill for efficient project management. To start, fire up your Asana and navigate to the specific project you're working on. This step is essential because setting the project status helps your team know exactly where the project stands at any given time. Next up, once you're on your project page, you'll find the status option at the top of your project. Click on it. Now, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with three default status options: on track, at risk, and off track. This helps us because these statuses allow you to communicate the overall health of your project to your team instantly. Now that we've done that, choose the status that best fits the current state of your project. For instance, if everything is going smoothly and you're on track to meet your deadlines, select on track. The reason we do this is to keep everyone in the loop and eliminate any confusion about the project's progress. But wait, let me explain why this matters. If your project faces potential hurdles, choosing the at-risk status can alert your team members. This early warning sign can prompt necessary actions to get the project back on track. Next, you have the option to leave a note explaining why you've chosen that particular status. This is not mandatory, but it's highly recommended to provide more context to your team members. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you add a note, it appears in the project's status history, which anyone can access at any time. And that's it. You've successfully set your project status on Asana. To wrap up, setting project status on Asana is a straightforward yet powerful way to keep everyone updated about a project's health. It's all about clear communication and transparency, which are key to successful project management. Stay tuned for more practical guides on maximizing your Asana experience. Thanks for watching.